I'm standing in line waiting to see Pete. Oh, and Levi finally decided to come join me in the line. He was sitting way over there in that chair. Now Levi just cut in front of me. We got Pete.
Okay, no, I didn't mean to do that, but for your hat. Backpages is practicing, warming up. Picture taken with them?
That'd be great.
Yeah.
It's a word.
Took a couple. Thank you.
Thank you, Pete. Thanks, Pete. You're welcome.
Thank you. Hi.
That's running.
Yes, you're being videoed.
Nice to meet you.
My grandson Levi and my husband Pat, they watch you pretty much daily. So
Thank you. Yeah.
The last time you was here, my husband, you're a spitting image of his brother. Like you guys could pass as twins. You guys. So.
I should let him know if I need to stand in for a stunt or something.
Yes.
Like that. You fall off the hay wagon, okay?
Yeah. You want to get your picture with him?
Yep.
All right. Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Nice meeting
Yeah,
you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Okay, let's walk up here a minute. We'll let Papa see the band here a minute. I don't know if you know any of them or not, but it's back pages.
1, 2, 1, 2. I'm gonna need a little bit more in the monitor.
All right, we're gonna shut it off here.
1, 2.